It's our last morning here in Salmon, Bali, and we are heading for our last breakfast here. She's wearing flamingos today.
I got this in Bali. £5 bargain.
No round bag with her.
No.
Let's go for breakfast. Well, this is my last breakfast. Potato, rice, chicken sausage and bacon. And Michelle's got a nice little selection of things too. And toast.
French toast.
French toast. Ooh la la. Michelle now has waffles.
So that is us ready to leave Salmon. It's been lovely, but it's time to go to Ubud. Before we go though, before we go to check out, I never showed you the view because when we arrived it was dark, but this is our view from a wee balcony. Just open this up here. Oh. And here it is. Tiny wee balcony, but good enough for 2 people to sit out on. Morning! And that's the view. Right, so we'll see you at the next place.
In the middle of Bali.
Oh right, oh wow.
Yeah, I'll sit with you.
Oh, sit here. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. Oh, we've been given some welcome drinks.
And some cold towels. Oh, I don't know what you do with the cold towels, but I just wash my hands.
This is so nice. We've been given these on arrival, and they're actually real flowers. They smell lovely. And then a little welcome drink. It's the sweetest thing. Cheers. It's so nice. The journey here was a bit hectic, as it was before when we first arrived. Just trying to get a taxi and get in the taxi without getting too much hassle, but after that it was fine. The roads were a bit mad, but we just enjoyed the ride and let the taxi driver take us here, but he was cool as well.
So Michelle got bit by something again. I don't know how. But
Well, this was the one that's been there for ages.
That's gross, isn't it?
So we've just checked our bags in, but we can't actually check in ourselves till 2 o'clock. And it's only just after 12. But we thought we'd come up here early anyway, so that we could explore the rice terraces and the waterfalls, because we're only here today from 12 obviously, and we've got all of tomorrow and then we go away the next day, so we're trying to fit as much in as possible. But the hotel's so beautiful that we also want to explore the hotel as well, so we've come up early, get that done now. He's always losing sunglasses. And then we can go and relax in the hotel after.
Running down this road tomorrow, but the roads are quite bad. Like the path goes up and down like this, and the bikes are everywhere. Maybe in the morning it'll be quieter and there won't be so many bikes and people and cars. Just have to wait until tomorrow to see. I might not even get out of bed, but I'd like to get out of bed and have a look. It's a ridge walk in Ubud. Thought there'd be a charge for it, but there's no one charging, so that was good. So we're just having a look. Heard there's some rice terraces here. Not too sure about rice terraces, but if they're here, they'll be here somewhere. And I think it walks along to a temple or a shrine, so hopefully we'll get some nice pictures there as well. How cool are these houses? Imagine living there in the rainforest. Okay guys, it's the shaded bit here and we're just coming up to a notice board and hopefully it'll tell us a bit more information about where we are. I can't believe it guys, look, I'm sweating everywhere. It's so hot here, Michelle's making me run through these rice terrace walk things and it's sweating so bad, it's so humid here.
It's horrible.
I'm just like, if I just stand here, sweat will just drip off of me.
This is why though, when I put sun cream on, I still get burnt because it literally just sweats off of me and I like wipe it away.
So here we are, I got a nice Sprite, a nice cold Sprite to drink by the rice terrace. But what have you got, Michelle?
I got a coconut.
Oh wow, is that a real coconut? It's not hairy. And what's this inside? Is this like coconut water?
Yeah.
Got to this really steep hill now. Oh, we made it to the top of the hill. Yay! Come back to a hotel and this is our room. I say room, it's more of a villa. This is our bed. They've decorated it with some nice swans and it says welcome in rose petals.
I didn't even see that.
Welcome. So this is a nice double bed with a mosquito net around it so we don't get...
I've got a complimentary bag.
And Michelle's got a bag here and there's nothing inside it, it's just complimentary. And this is a spare bed in case we fall out later. They've given us complimentary gin, whiskey and vodka. So that's nice. Don't know what it tastes like.
But it's complimentary, so we'll find out.
It smells quite nice. We'll try that later.
Look at this wee seating area here. If we want to chill.
So if we come round here, we've got... This is our mini bar. The water you have to pay for and wine you have to pay for, but the coffee is included. Coca-Cola is 30,000, so we'll definitely be getting some drinks from the shop. and bringing them back here to have with our complimentary vodka. Show you this. The mini bar here with the drinks in. Round here is the shower room. So in here we have the shower. Nice walk-in shower with
I'm loving bamboo. Look at the bamboo.
And we have the toilet here. And even the toilet paper has got a little hat on it. And this is the shower with probably a nice shower head in it. Nice big open shower.
Sort of gives you the feel that you're outside, but you're not outside.
And this is our bathtub, which they set up for the honeymoon. And if you can look
Gone
down,
dark
you'll
again,
see
but-
rose petals.
Oh, how nice is this?
So we can fill this up later and get a nice selfie.
And look at the wee vanity area with all these wee bits.
Yeah.
Some nice wardrobes and robes in here as well.
We've got some bath foam and a little thing here. Look at this. Bath foam.
And then, if you want to have a bath while looking out at the view, you can do.
We've also got a nice sleeping area here.
Looks so cool. You can chill it there in the sun under the shade.
And this is our view from our room. We've got the rainforest here and the Ubud River below us. This is our balcony area. We can walk all the way back. This is where you get to our private swimming pool, just for us.
And it pretty much is private because there is nothing
Well, they can probably see us up there,
around.
but I reckon.
That's so cool.
It's nearly 3 o'clock and it's time for afternoon tea. So we've arrived for our afternoon tea. Michelle got tea. I've actually just got afternoon water. Different to morning water. So we've got this like, it looks like it's something fried. So I'm just going to bite it. It's crispy on the outside, chewy in the middle, soft in the middle.
Wonder what it could be. Let us know if you know.
It's nice though.
Ready? So I'm going to try this. Well, I've tried this. It's very jelly, blancmange like. With bits of, I'm assuming, fruit inside. Not too bad.
And this is the last little treat we got. It's like a white chocolate cornflake cake. Really nice.
This place looks so nice. It's time to get in the pool. But first of all, we need a drink. I'm just about to step into the pool. It's pretty cold, I have already been in. But it's so peaceful because we've got the place to ourselves. There's nobody else around. You can hear people, the odd one or two, because the restaurant is actually just up here. But, right, let's get in the pool. It's so relaxing. And it just feels like you're right in the jungle. All the trees, just surrounded by them. It's amazing, and you can hear all the sounds, you know, the insects and birds and everything. I could just stay here for ages.
We've all done up nicely now. I put on my best shirt. Michelle's put on a hen party dress, a nice white dress, and a round bag.
My round bag!
Have you shown them your round bag yet, Michelle?
I love my round bag.
And Michelle's booked some dinner for us somewhere. We're going up somewhere special for dinner, so come and have a look where we're going. We're up in a bird cage. You can't see anything because it's dark outside, but if you look over there, you'll be able to see the river and stuff like that, the trees. But you can just hear it, and it's so amazing. You can hear the birds singing, chirping, and the crickets cricketing. And yeah, it's really nice. All candlelit here. And Michelle. We're just going to pick a couple of drinks. We're going to decide whether to have something sparkling or something cocktaily.
I think I'm going with a cocktail.
Cocktails, I think we're having. Yeah, should be good.
So our first course has arrived. We've got some bread, good old bread, and some vegetable spring rolls. Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Wife.
Husband.
Tastes okay.
And this is our second course. So we've got smoked salmon with onion bread. And Aaron's already tucking in.
I'm so hungry.
Check out our wee bird cage. So we're on our third course now of 6 courses.
How many?
6
Wow.
courses.
That's crazy.
And we've got portobello mushroom soup. And it's even got a wee pattern on it with the cream.
Oh yeah.
And they sit it on this little leaf thing.
Yeah, leaf. Leave it alone.
And some bread.
Some crispy bread.
Yeah. They
Wow.
present it so nicely.
We've got some sparkling wine to go with our dinner. Michelle's for her 3rd or 4th glass at the moment.
Yeah, well, you know,
And
celebrating.
yeah, it's just such a nice atmosphere up here with the candles in the bird cages. And yeah, oh, Michelle's starting. Okay, well I better get on. I better get on with this too.
See you in the next course.
I just found out Michelle is friends with a dog on Facebook, an actual 4-legged dog.
4-legged friend.
Spot.
Called Spot.
Spot the dog.
Spot the dog. My cousin's dog.
And Michelle has 17 mutual friends with Spot the dog.
Yeah, I do.
So that's 18 people.
Our friends. With Spot. Spot actually
Has 37 friends.
36.
36 friends. 36 people
This is Spot.
are friends with the dog. I can't see it. Let's go there. Let's just Spot the dog.
Spot's cute.
Okay,
It's just because Aaron, the taxi driver that's taking us around tomorrow to waterfalls and rice terraces and stuff on a wee tour, he's added Aaron as a friend on Facebook.
But he is not a dog.
He's not a dog, but then I was saying, I don't know how we got onto the subject, but I was saying, well, I'm friends with a dog on Facebook. Spot! And that's Spot.
So this is our 4th meal of the night. I've put a light on to make it better, but this is lemon and lime or limoncello sorbet with a cherry and chocolate and a mint leaf on top. Doesn't it just look a picture? She's
We're
blurry.
doing come dine with me at some point. We'll need to think of this.
No, this is not dessert.
For the main course I went with fish. So I've got snapper and I've got scallops and I've got prawns and it's lovely presented.
All from the Instagram view. And I've got some vegetables, some beef here and some mashed potato. And that is the Instagram view.
Look at the plate. That's actual.
Yes, it's made from chocolate.
Oh!
So, yeah.
Right.
Are you ready?
Yep. Well, it's all flash, so that's the only thing.
Oh,
Still.
don't flash.
Oh, flash, flash, good. It's good with a flash.
Wow.
Look at the pattern. Oh, it's melting.
Save some for me.
Oh,
Like a lotus flower.
it's opening.
Yeah, finally. It's opening.
It's so cool rather than just opening any old way. It
Yeah.
actually opens nicely. It's
Oh.
ready. Oh. There it goes.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
In time.
Nearly.
Oh.
One is okay.
Thank you. This isn't the pattern on the plate. The chef actually put chocolate all over the plate. It's amazing. He's done so well. It's decorated so well. I'm so full, but I'm going to try and eat as much of this as possible because it looks so amazing. Adam's already tucking into his.
Oh, just so good.
A golf buggy.
Buggy to the room. We've ate too much, we can't walk.
That might be the drink. Quite drunk too much.